Up next, we are going to go check out Rita's shop. So, guys, I see a few people in here. Um, you're welcome, Priya. Let's see. Tracy, yes, I believe we should be able to get to your shop today. Um, and whoever else was on the last workshop, if because I know we've had some spillover for some of these, so we'll try to get to you guys if that happened to you. So let's go ahead and check out. This is Rita's shop right here. Sleeping stuff, 100% cotton, luxury satin, and comfy linen women's sleepwear. Um, very nice, very pretty. So let's see what we got here. We got 8 sales. So that's a good start there. And so one thing I would recommend, Rita, is to use a personal photo. It's your choice ultimately, but I think a personal photo is nice to have because it just creates a little bit more rapport and a little bit more, personality between people. Hey there, April. So I think Etsy is a nice platform because you get to buy from real people, and I think that's a kind of a special thing about it. So putting your real photo there can be nice. So great job. You've got your policies down here. I like that. Your about section is put together. Your shop really looks nicely put together. And I think that's really great. So that'd be the one thing I'd recommend changing. And of course, if you'd rather not, that's your choice. So let's look at some of these pajamas. And I think the photos are great. You can really see the pajamas clearly. They're really nicely. Now, you will notice this product I feel is harder to see. Like if you compare this blue pajama on the white background, it's really striking, but this one isn't as easy. This one's a lot more difficult to see. So that's one of the issues. If you use the exact same background for every product of yours, it can be difficult sometimes because if you've got light and dark colored products, then the background is not going to work for all of them. So I would recommend on any of your light colored products, such as this one, to use a photo with a darker background. Put something a little darker so that it contrasts the item, gets it to pop and really stand out. And let's see. Let's see here. All right. So on this one, let's look. Blue pajamas, cotton pajamas, women, nightwear for women, cotton pants, women, cotton set pajamas, pajamas, shirt, cotton pajamas. Now, I think these are only for women. So I think well, you probably put it on here. I'm sure you said in like the category details, like this was women's clothing, right? Okay, you probably don't quite have to put women as much on this, but let's check. So let's check out. First, let's search this keyword: blue pajamas. Lots of different options here. Now let's see blue pajamas, women, and see if it kind of changes it at all. So it's pretty similar overall. So I don't think it's really that big a deal that you don't have women at the front. But this keyword right here, blue pajamas, 40,000 results. So it's a pretty good keyword. Since your shop is new, I would maybe recommend some smaller one. But let's check out cotton pajamas, women. The sweet spot is kind of between 1,000 and 10,000. Doesn't mean you can't go ahead and go for a slightly bigger keyword, but you might get better results with a slightly smaller keyword. So we could try something, just add the two keywords together to get a little bit more precise. And we can see right here, cotton blue pajamas, women, got you 10,000 results. So my thought is that would be a better keyword to use on this listing of yours because one, it better describes your product because it has two describing words, cotton and blue. So that helps you find an even more precise customer. But then also you've just got less competition with this keyword, cotton blue pajamas women, that only has 10,000 results. Whereas blue pajamas has 40,000 and Cotton pajamas has 48,000. So those are all fantastic keywords. But if you made it a little bit more precise and went with cotton blue pajamas, you'd be right at that sweet spot. And I think you're getting the best keyword for your product on that one. So that's just something to kind of think about for your products here. Um, I see you've got cotton pajamas on a lot of them, and these are still great keywords, but your very first keyword is the most important keyword. So going with something a little more precise, a little bit more dialed in, but in a slightly smaller results range is going to do better for you. So I would go through each of these. I don't know if there's a specific kind of like pattern that you could describe with this one. So a few things. One thing, let's see this video here. All right, I like the video. We get to see what it looks like coming out of the package, a nice little bow. Really nice presentation, a lovely gift. And so the one thing that I think is missing in your photos is I don't really see any photos of the pants kind of like fully out. So I'd love to just see the pants totally, laid out, maybe one photo of the pants by themselves. And that way you could get an example of what it looks like. But altogether, this product looks really nice. We got medium, we got large, very nice. Good details here, washing instructions, gifts, sizing, 1 to 3 business days. Lovely shop. I think you're really off on a really great foot here because you've got your stuff all looking so nice.